Seifert Professional Building at Memorial Medical Center in downtown Johnstown, Pennsylvania. These are 80s Westinghouse. Cowell in the middle broken. And this one is a hospital-sized 10 doors down the stair, has some on the same center up north. Roof's probably locked, so we're up to 5. Interior loud. Traction. No floor chime, surprisingly. I think the other one is a buzzer, though. Or if I were, maybe it's muffling to decide to work. Lights buzzing. Back down to ground. Oh, it's a muffled buzzer call rack. It doesn't work very well. Certificate installed 1982. There's a card reader there. Non-ADA rotary phone, that's pretty old. Basic stainless steel cab. Got tray lighting. I think the buzzer is not very weak in the back of ground.